Hello, I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na still Hope Azimuche Azere. Today we still dey talk about this landlord and ten ant matter. Una know say the matter long well well. The rope long, e too long. Today we go talk about quit notice. Una know say quit notice na one of the things wey dey cause problem for landlord and ten ant matter. Now wetin be quit notice? Quit notice na that letter wey landlord dey write, or that small write up wey landlord dey write give ten ant say comot for my house, I no want you again, no dey for my house again, when this your rent expire, no pay again, na im be quit notice. Or if na ten ancy wey be say dem na mouth dem use arrange am. You know say I don tell una before say ten ancy fit use mouth arrange am, you fit still use biro arrange am. If na mouth una use arrange am, landlord too go fit use mouth tell ten ant say no dey for my house again, once this your rent expire, no pay again, I no want you. Now landlord no go just give ten ant quit notice like that. Wetin law talk be say if landlord and ten ant don agree say this one na the length of notice wey we go dey use, na like this the rope go long reach, na so e go be. For example, person wey rent house 1 year wey be yearly ten ant, the person and landlord fit agree say na 1 month notice the ten ant go dey entitled to, or say na 2 months notice, say na 6 months, anyhow wey you and your landlord take arrange am, law say e dey okay. But where you and your landlord una no agree, no agreement, you and your landlord no agree say na like this una go dey, im go dey use give you the quit notice, the length. Law say for yearly ten ant say na 6 months notice. Law come talk say if na 6 months ten ant, say na 3 months notice. If you be quarterly ten ant, na wey be this one wey dem dey call 4 months, you dey pay for 4 months, na 1 month notice. If you be weekly ten ant, na 1 week notice. If you be 1 month ten ant, like you dey pay your rent one month. If you dey pay your rent one month, na 1 month notice. If you be ten ant as sufferance, you no need notice. If you be ten ant at will, na 1 week notice. Now you see this thing wey dem dey call quit notice, some ten ants dem dey feel say quit notice suppose come when their rent don expire. For example, if you be yearly ten ant, you pay rent 31st of December 2022, your rent suppose expire 30th of December 2023. Some ten ants believe say na when this rent expire, landlord suppose give them quit notice. No be so. No be so law talk am. Your quit notice suppose run with your rent. We go still talk about this issue of quit notice, the proper way to give this quit notice. We go talk am for our next lecture. You wey dey watch this our video, as you dey watch, try to dey share am. No dey stingy with knowledge. When you watch, share, make other people hear wetin we dey talk. Plenty people dey wey no know wetin dey. We dey try to bring wetin dey to your doorstep, and wetin make we dey use pidgin dey talk am, so that nobody go say I no understand the grammar wey that lawyer blow, I no understand the English, that English too big pass me. So we don bring law now to a level wey be say everybody go fit understand am. Watch, share. Thank you.